Guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you access Web3 wallet into Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to accept, you just simply have to open your Bitget application at very first. And after opening the Bitget, you will get to see this icon into top left corner. Just simply select that icon from your screen, and after selecting that, you will get to see this option of Web3 into popular. Now, in order to access the Web3 wallet, you just simply have to tap into Web3 option. And before tapping into Web3, you will have to verify your account first. And after that, you can easily perform all of the things that you would like to do into Web3 wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.